everyone, and welcome back. I'm Dee, one of the activity coordinators here at the Licking County Aging Program. On today's series on our DIY, I'm going to be showing you how to make a bird feeder out of plastic reusable bottles. You only need 6 things: a pair of scissors, a funnel, bird feed, the bottle, and any kind of sticks, and of course the lid. So what I have done is I have pre-drilled little holes here to put the sticks through. Now you can use your scissors, just be careful, don't cut yourself. And then I put a little hole above here so the birds can put their beak in there to eat. Now this one I'm doing 2 holes. And there is the hole above here for the bird to sit on the perch and eat. So then what you're going to do is fill it up with your funnel. Now, depending on the size of the bird feed, the seeds might be kind of hard to get in, so it might be easier just to use a funnel or your hand, and then just pick up the pieces. So then once you get this all completed, filled, it might take some time consuming, you're going to drill a little hole in the top of the lid. You put a string through it and knot it up like this. Then you're going to pull it through like this and then knot it so you'll have a place to hang from the tree. And there you go. So then you put the lid on. I would do probably 3 or 4 knots in that. And there you go. There's your bird feeder. I did this one with just 1 perch. As you can see, they can eat on this side or the other side. And that's the completed version of it. I only did 1 perch on there. Well, I want to thank you today for joining us for my DIY. Please tune in to our next one. Thanks and have a great day.